Hey guys, welcome back to an update on our Corinda project. So this one's been a bit of a battle so far because it keeps bloody raining, but as usual we're smashing through it. So over the past couple of weeks we've had Shane and his team here from Steele House Raising. They've done a cracking job. They got stuck into this one and in under 2 weeks had it knocked out underneath, lifted up and all the steel work done. So that was fantastic. Really kept our job on schedule even though they had a few rain days in there. Now we've got Dan and the team from Premium Plumbing on site. We're doing all of our underslab. So at the moment we've done our new sewer connection. We're getting all of our underslab pipework in for our bathrooms, laundries and stacks. And they're also running the stormwater pipes to pick up the new roof extension and the existing stormwater. We're also doing a new water main all the way out to the street and a new gas main all the way out to the footpath. So yeah, it's all happening on this site. We've got our team on site starting to do all their set out, because once they finish this plumbing work today, backfilled everything, we're going to go straight on to our footing prep so that we can pour our footings next week.